Hola chicas, ¿qué tal? I'm packing my suitcase because I have to go back to Belgium for like half a day. Pretty much. It's Thursday right now and I'm leaving for the airport in like an hour. My plane leaves at 9. I get to Belgium at 11. I stay there all Friday and then leave on Saturday at 12. I just have to go. I'm just taking you guys with me so you see what I pack for like an overnight trip, because I usually do that. Well, not usually, oh my gosh, it sounds like I travel all the time, but last year I had to do that quite frequently because, as you know, I was sick with cancer 3 years ago and I had to do checkups every 3 months last year still. So that means that I know how to pack for like a day or two. My ticket with Brussels Airlines allowed me to bring a carry-on, so I'm bringing my carry-on, so which means that everything that's my laptop or whatever will be in this carry-on because it hurts my back to carry it all the time, and I'm not carrying much, but my parents will give me stuff to bring. It's not much, but it's a thermos and whatever, and it maybe won't fit into my backpack, so that's why we have this laptop. Because
it was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.
If you didn't know, like if you didn't notice before, I have those 3 Sony angels here, which represent Scoops, Cherry Scoops, Yunjoran, and Joshua. 17959. Yes, I did it on purpose, and yes, I was looking like crazy for this last one because I couldn't find it. So yeah, I don't have much to bring, but I still need to bring stuff. Is my trusty. This is my man. This is my main girl. Actually, it's a she. She's my bestie. She's my best friend. I've got it. I received it as a gift for Reyes Magos from my parents. I think now a good almost 10 years ago, I would say. I think it was like back in 2016 I got it. I pleaded, I wanted it so badly. I don't think I used it as much for university as it was intended to, but I use it for all my travels. Every single time I travel somewhere, this is the first thing I bring. This is the thing I brought with me to Canada. This was a backpack I was using in Canada to go to school. It's a backpack I used to school. This is a backpack I always have on me when I'm traveling because everything fits. It looks small, but this bitch holds everything. You should own a Kangen. It is worth the money. It is expensive, but it's fucking worth the money. On the interesting part, skincare products. I have this clear thing that I bought at Primark. It is a clear, like, already, like, pack. Whatever skincare products I'm bringing with me is this serum that is for under eye solution with caffeine that I use in the morning. It's basically almost empty. I'm taking it in the hopes that it's going to be empty by Saturday so I can leave it there. I'm also taking my everyday cream, day and night cream, which is the evienoryarevalo 10, and it's also almost empty, and I have another one at home, so I know that I can use it at another one at home in Belgium that we have there, and when I come back here I have another one. So it's just to empty, for the sake of emptying products. My trusty Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Propolis Rejuvenating Ampoule that's my night serum that I use. Also bringing this cream with me because I need it for one of treatment, so we have that. We're also bringing the Aven Cicalfate. It is the small one, Crème Réparatrice Protectrice. I have the huge bottle that I use here, but this one is 100 milliliters, and that is the limit, and I want to test the limits. I think I can bring it, but I don't want to test the limit. This one is a 40 milliliters, so that's why we're bringing this one. Aquaphor, because I get rusty lips right now, so I'm using Aquaphor for that. This is now the Vita Drop Sun Quid from the Face Shop in Seoul. Chongwonu was the face for that. Most of my skincare is 17 partner brands. I usually go in between this one or Innisfree one. My Innisfree one is almost empty and is actually empty, and the other day it caused me a breakout, so I think it's been open for too long, so I threw it out. I have another one, but this one has also been open first, so I'm finishing this one, and this one is real light, so I like it, so I'm bringing this. My blush, powder blush, is broken, so I will need to like secure that. Yeah, that'll do. Otherwise all the product will smash. Forgot to add, I used the VT Cosmetics Riedel shot in 100 every day. My bottle is broken. It fell the other day and it's broken. It's almost also empty, but so I cannot bring it with me because it's broken and it's gonna leak. So I'm taking these, which are the replacements that you can buy. Last but not least, my retainer. And that's the skincare, makeup, whatever products I need. Usually when I'm riding a plane, I either have crochet or whatever to do. Right now I'm reading 2 books. Actually, I have been reading a couple of books this month of January, but I either have 2 options. I bring a physical book, which I'm reading The Starless Sea by Erin Morgenstern. She is the author that wrote The Night Circus, which I really loved. It is condensed. It is like high fantasy, yet you have to read every word. Or I have something lighter, which is Empire Storms, that I'm reading on my Kindle, and it's much lighter, by Sarah J Maas, the Throne of Glass series. I think it's book 6. I cannot deal with these books anymore, but I have to finish them because I'm committed. So these are my 2 options. To be honest, I would love to keep on reading this because I just got to page 50 and this book has been on my TBR since 2022. But then again, it is a pretty thick book, so I think I might bring my Kindle and it would force me to read Sarah J Maas actually. So I think that's the option we're gonna go for. Bring my Kindle. If anything, if I still hate it, there are a lot of books inside of this bitch. So if I don't want to read that, I can read something else. But I think I need to finish at least one of these this month, and I think I can do it. I'm at 35% and I have at least 4 hours of reading ahead of me. Okay, so what's in my suitcase? We have this, which is my makeup and whatever. Then we have this thing, which my dad's gonna give me 2 cheeses so I can bring them. This is where I put the camera. This is my meds that I take every day. I already taken the ones for today, even though it's not night, but so it's done, out of the way. These are my glasses that I need to repair, and here is my backpack. Chargers, missing my phone charger, but this I think I'm gonna take it with me. This is my iPad and this is my laptop. This is my adapter and my external hard drive, and this is a microphone that I can put to my phone. Also putting my journal. Dans mon sac, il y a les essentiels de base, genre un élastique ou quoi, mon Kindle, blablabla, et j'ai une bouteille d'eau vide. I need to bring a jacket because it's still a bit cold. It is cold here in Barcelona a bit, so I still need to bring a jacket. Usually I don't travel with a jacket on. I just ask my parents to bring me a jacket once I land in Belgium because I'm too hot here, but right now it's a bit colder, so we have a jacket. My trusty sweater that I bought in Korea that I absolutely love. A white shirt, the OC white shirt that I bought last week. I ended up putting my Uggs on because if my feet like swell up during the flight, I'll be happy to wear my Uggs. So Uggs it is. Since they do laundries on Saturdays in my house, I need to bring that hamper here. And now we bring this downstairs. Home sweet home, I guess. I'm just gonna prep my backpack for tomorrow and then I'm gonna head to sleep because I'm tired. I read a lot. I got to 50%, 54% of my book, but then I also fell asleep. The outfit of today. I'm just wearing this, my jeans, sneakers. I have a double sweater. Que no se pueden hacer nada para mis anteojos. I'm awfully stressed. I'm cold. And I'm literally somewhere I've never been. I've never been on this side of Brussels / Belgium. Never.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
There's no train this weekend, like this entire week actually, so I have to wait for my parents to come and pick me up. I was gonna take a car, but my dad needed it, so here we are. I'm playing Genshin at a... Oh, I think that's my dad. I think that's my parents. I can't see from that far, but oh yeah, my parents are here. Look at that. Yeah. No, no. Okay. have to take a hot coffee. I'm bothered. Like, is it too much to ask to have another cold coffee brand here except of Starbucks? 1. 2, lactose intolerant. All your machines, I can't use them. This is a rant towards Brussels Airport, Zaventem.
Please keep your boarding pass ready.
Compromise. Hot coffee, cold milk, soy. My savior.